In this practice, you will set several different types of system variables. Start a new template based on the template AutoCAD. At the command prompt, type set var and press enter. Type question mark and press enter. Then press enter again to display the list of system variables. Press enter a few times to scroll down to the list and note which system variable names you recognize. Press escape to cancel the command. If the text window was opened, close it. At the command prompt, enter the system variable fileDia. At the enter new value for fileDia prompt, enter 0 and press enter. In the status bar, note system variable monitor displays. Right-click on system variable monitor and select display notification. A check mark displays next to the selected option. Right-click on system variable monitor and select reset system variables. Note that system variable monitor does not display in the status bar, as all of the monitor system variables have been reset to their preferred settings. At the command prompt, enter the system variable fileDia again. At the enter new value for fileDia prompt, enter 0 and press enter. In the status bar, note that system variable monitor displays along with a notification bubble. In the command line, you might have to expand it. Note that the system variable change notification displays. In the bubble, click on the Click to View Change to open the System Variable Monitor dialog box. Note that the status of fileDia displays, indicating that it has changed. In the System Variable Monitor dialog box, click Reset All. Click Edit List. In the Edit System Variable List dialog box, in the Available System Variable List, select the variable Cursor Size, Fill Mode, and Pline Width. Click Add Selected to add the variables to the monitored system variable list on the right. Click OK twice when done. Draw a polyline with an arc. Note the current line width. At the command prompt, type Pline Width, polyline width. This system variable can be set to any real number. Change the value to 0.5 and draw another polyline. A notification at the command line indicates that a monitored system variable violates a preferred setting. Type the system variable Fill Mode, which controls the fill display of polylines and other objects. The system variable is a switch, where 1 equals on and 0 equals off. Change the value to 0. Region the drawing to display the change. Toggling the fill off can speed up system performance in large drawings. Type the system variable DWG name. This system variable, which stores the drawing name, is read only. Type the system variable cursor size. Change the value to 10 to increase the size of the cursor crosshairs. Type sysvar monitor or click on Click to View Change in the bubble notification to open the System Variable Monitor dialog box. Note that the status of these variables display, indicating that they have been changed. Start another new drawing based on the template AutoCAD. The crosshairs are large in the drawing as well. The system variable cursor size is saved in the system and applies to all drawings. Check the value of P-line width in the drawing. It is specific to each drawing file. Open the System Variable Monitor dialog box and then click Reset All. Close both drawings. Do not save changes.